getting my tan on. It's radiant barrier plywood. This is used for roofing. This is going to be the roof sheeting that's going to go on top, and then the felt paper and roofing is going to go on top of this. It's a energy efficient barrier. It helps regulate temperature. Lumber used in framing. What kind of wood goes where? People think of 2x4s, which we have plenty of 2x4s, as the most common sticks for houses. And that's usually the case. Anything more than that is usually used for support. For example, 4x4s. These right here. These are 4x4s, which is basically two 2x4s squeezed together. And so 4x4s are used as support. 6x6s, even more support. So the thicker the beams, the more chances that it's going to be a load-bearing beam. So if you notice, this piece of wood has a red tint to it, and it looks like there's a bunch of little staple holes in it compared to these other beams. The reason for that is that this wood is actually chemically treated to be able to withstand water, considered pressure treated. And these little grips is kind of where they inject it. Now the thing is, if you use that, it's used in base plates at the very bottom. We'll show you in the framing. And it's used like at the bottom of bathrooms because of its water properties. However, if you cut it or you splinter it, the inside is now exposed and it's not as protective. So you have to make sure you seal off the ends. So if we look over here, you'll see that we have the foundation itself, pressure treated wood, and regular wood. The pressure treated is a gap between the concrete and the regular wood because there's a high chance for moisture. So if you look over here, for example, big beam, little beams, they're together. What is that going to show? A header. So it's supporting an opening for a doorway. So you'll notice here on the bottom, see the difference in the color of wood and this is treated. This is a bathroom. And you'll see it going along all sides. And over here, in this next area, this is gonna be a washer dryer. And you'll see it's at the base also. So if your water from the washer machine overflows, or from your sink, or from your toilet, it won't destroy the wood in your walls. You gotta use the right wood in the right place.